Hey guys, I haven't made a box fan video in a while, so I thought I'd make a video of this. This is a Pencrest. I'll tell you right now, it does a Model 100. This is kind of a pre-restoration video because I'm probably gonna restore this. So yeah, it's got a dent right here. The back wheel's not on it, but it was when I got it, but I just took it off because I was trying to hammer out the dent right there. I didn't get that far into it. It's a 3-speed. I got this from a thrift store. Guy there actually saves fans for me. This is one of the ones he got. I got gotten quite a few fans from the one with a Lasco 3723 D-bladed version with the thing up in the side. So here's whoa. While it's in bad shape, everything seems to work fine. Motor runs smooth. Doesn't have any bearing noise, that I can see. Which is surprising, considering the condition it's in. And it still moves air. Because, you know, this is a true fan. It's a real trooper too, because considering all the dents and rust and whatnot that it has on it, it runs like as if it was brand new. So that's how you can tell that's the mark of a true quality fan. Here's a medium. Has a pretty good spin down, considering the fact that it has been through a lot. It's like as if it's been oiled. There's no issue with the bearings. Further, like down at the bottom, there's a lot of rust. I'll show you. A lot of rust right there. So that's a fact that it might have been water damage. And in the bottom, bit of rust right there. Some rust there, rust on the motor mounts. Is there a tag on it? I haven't, really cleaned it off. I've only had it for like a month. So, that's pretty much it. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed.